but I have to leave them outside because if I bring them in, they're gonna knock over all my equipment. Hello everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, as you can see right here, this is gonna be my winter Fabfitfun unboxing video. You guys know I'm obsessed with Fabfitfun. I think everyone should get it. And I am just super excited to crack this baby open and get started. So that's what we're gonna do. So like I said, this is the winter box and yeah, let's get into it. I should have brought some scissors. I always forget something. So here we are. Lovely. So I'm just gonna set it right here and we're gonna dig in, okay? So it always comes with the little magazine thingy that just like tells you everything, what's in here, etc. You know, whatever. And then, oh, there's another HelloFresh gift card in here. I got one of these in my last box, but I didn't use it because I forgot. And it says claim within 30 days, so. Ready? I'm ready. First thing I see is, ooh, this is exactly what I need in life. This is the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for dry and damaged hair. Your girl has dry and damaged hair, so that's exciting. I wonder what it smells like. That smells good. So, perfect for winter time. Everybody has drier hair and skin in the winter, so make sure you take care of it with hair masks. Next thing I see is this. It says black, B-L-A-Q, eye mask and hyaluronic acid. I don't know what it is. Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. So that's that right there. Yeah, 29 bucks for those. And then what was the other one? $49 for that hair mask. So good deal, like always, duh. So I can't wait to use those. I've never used like little eye masks before like that. So that's cool. Let's see. Ooh, an eyeshadow palette. I didn't know this was coming. This is by Pure. You guys know Pure Cosmetics. And yeah, it's just a little eyeshadow palette. Let's open it and see what it looks like. I'm never unhappy to get an eyeshadow palette, you know? This is what it looks like. Ooh, it has a nice mirror in there. But that right there is the palette. It's very pretty. I've never used Pure eyeshadows before, so that'll be cool. And I really like the colors in this, so that's exciting. Let me know if you want a tutorial using this. And let's see, this is $36. So we have already gotten more than what we paid for in this box. Next thing I see is, it says Lele Sadowi. I don't know what that brand is, but it's a necklace, it looks like. Let's see where this is. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cute. This is $50. This necklace is 50 bucks. How do I get it out? So it's just a cute little silver circle necklace. And I like minimalistic type stuff like this. I did think that the circle was going to be a little smaller when I saw it online, but that's okay. It's still cute and it was $50. So yeah. Oh, also, while we're here, I don't know why I thought of this now, but I'm wearing a Christmas sweater. Got the red lip, holiday glam makeup, Christmas tree. So we're just in the holiday vibes right now and I'm loving it. If you want to see a makeup look on, or a makeup tutorial on this makeup look, let me know. Let me just give you a little close-up. Yeah, so let me know because I would love to do that for you. Here's like my new pile and then my already looked up pile. So just disregard the piles, okay? But I don't want to toss them on the floor right now because I don't want to break anything. Next thing I see is, ooh, this is from Anthropologie. It's a coconut sugar sea whip body cream. Ooh, and look at that. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but it's like a holographic, like turquoise to pink color. It has a seal on it, so I can't smell it. Oh, that smells so good. So yeah, it's just like a body cream. And like I said, you gotta stay hydrated in the winter, so perfect. And that is $24 by itself. Next thing is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Infuse and nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. Sweet. This is $33 by itself. Has shea butter, vitamin E, etc. So I don't know if you use this on your face or if it's like for your, so there's that. They really know how to like cater these items to the specific season that they come in, you know? Next thing is a Thrive, this is upside down, Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. Ooh. It's in the shade Stella, which is Champagne Shimmer. This is what it looks like. As long as you can see it. But yeah, it's like a little shimmering stick. So that's cool. And this is $24 usually. So yeah, you could put it on like your brow bone and like highlight your brow bone. You could use it on your inner corner. You could use it on your lid. Honestly, whatever you want to do. So, next thing is, what is this? They look like plates. Body sliders. Oh, I remember seeing this when I customized. So they're just for working out. You can like put your hands on them and do like, actually you'd probably most likely use it for your feet. And you can do like ab workouts, you can do like lunges and they just like slide across the floor, you know? So that way I can do like at home workouts when I don't feel like going to the gym some days. So that's nice. These are $18. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten lunch yet. Pray for me. Next thing I see is, I see something cozy. What is this? I love cozy things. Cozy socks, cozy pajamas, cozy blankets, cozy scarves, anything cozy. What is it though? Oh, it's a color block throw. It's very soft. Oh look, and it goes from like white to gray to white. So it's like, it's a color block throw, like I just said. Oh, yes, yes. I could just leave this on for the rest of the video. Might die of heat stroke, but you got a comfy throw on. Oh, I like it. Okay, I'll take it off just so that you can see my Christmas sweater. Is that everything? That's everything. Oh, I'm excited. So yeah, this box was anywhere from $290 to $335, just depending on which items you get, because you could get either like this, this, or this, or you could get this, this, or this, and you only get one from like each section kind of thing, you know? So, some things are more expensive than others, but it's a total from $290 to $335, and I paid like 50 bucks for it. So, totally worth the money, and I'm actually excited about everything that I got in here. So, super cool. And yeah, you guys, that was really fast. So anyways, that is the end of this video. I got a Christmas present at my door. Ooh. Not for me, it's for my husband, but whatever. Christmas, I told you this whole video, Christmas. So anyways, like I was saying, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram. I also leave that linked down below as well. And yeah, get your Fabfitfun box because it's totally worth the money. You get way more stuff than you paid for. And it's great. And you can also go online and like customize things. It's the best. So anyways, like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!